Hi, I'm Garrett. So you bought your Laserpecker and it's not working and you don't know why, you're frustrated, you just spent almost $300 and it's just not working. Well, I want to show you what's wrong and how to fix it. Very simple. It's just what you're doing and how you're understanding how this thing works. So let's jump in, let's get your problem solved right now. Let's go. Your Laserpecker is plugged in, the blue light is flashing, it's telling you that it's looking for Bluetooth. So you go to your settings in your device and you hit Laserpecker and you're waiting for this guy to pair and it doesn't pair and you think it's not working. So here's what's actually going on. So the reason this isn't working like that is because you cannot pair through your device or from your device. You have to pair through the app. So what you do is when you're on your device and you've launched Laserpecker and you have to set your device height to 200 millimeters and you have to wait your 6 seconds or so, where I don't know why they put that timing in there, but that's the way it goes. And you've come to this screen finally after all that setup stuff that you had to do. When you get your item that you want to burn into your paper and you're ready to go, the next thing that's going to come up is this screen, Laserpecker, and you need to tap that to connect it. This is the only way that it's going to connect to your device. It's not the other way around. You cannot do it through your device through Bluetooth. Laserpecker will do it for you. So that is why your Laserpecker isn't working. Now that you know, go back through your settings and do your drawing and it'll bring that connection up and you'll be able to run your Laserpecker from there. So don't worry about all the complaints on Amazon. People aren't reading the instructions very well. We don't like to read instructions, do we? If this video was helpful, please give me a like or make a comment. And if you have any other suggestions, put them in the comments as well. This is Garrett with IDC Woodcraft, playing with little gadgets like that. But it does some pretty cool stuff. Here, as we check out, I'll show you what it does. So what I'm going to do is take a picture of my pretty face without my glasses on. Here, we'll get a nice little smile going. Ready? Okay, so that's the picture that we have, and we are going to approve it. And that looks horrible. We have several different settings down at the bottom here. Right now it has defaulted to the bin setting, whatever bin means. You got a little grayscale slider here. You can adjust it down. The thing to remember is the blacker the picture is, the more it's going to burn, and the longer it's going to take. Then they have the pencil, which does not look good at all. And we have grayscale. Oh, let's see what grayscale does. So we're going to send this to the device, and it says the resolution picture is so high it's going to take a long time. We're going to say okay, let it download that. We're going to approve that by saying next. And we're going to tell it what size we want. You can go up to 100 millimeters on this. With the Laserpecker, you can burn anything 100 millimeters is maximum size. That's about 4 inches by 4 inches, but you can declare what size you want. Since this is going to take a long time, we're going to do, let's do 35 millimeters and hit next. Now, in Laserpecker, you have to have a safety code. This is part of the reason why you have the problem in the first place. Laserpecker realizes that there's a safety issue. You're dealing with a laser. You need to wear your safety glasses, and I'm going to punch in my code, and it defaults over to uploading the picture. It's doing the picture resolution stuff, and now it is uploading the file. And so this is going to take about 30 seconds, maybe a minute. Let's pause the camera. We are almost done, and you can always back out by hitting the quit button. All right, so now we are at the ready to go screen. What kind of material are we burning? We are burning paper. Now, what I have found is this paper that they sent me, when I burn it at the power that it's set at, that it defaults to, which is corrugated paper 100%, and a depth of 70, with one pass it actually burns through the paper. So I am going to turn the power down a little bit to, let's go down to 85. confirm that. And we like that one passed. Now you can see it's defaulted to custom. We're going to click start. And what it's going to do is going to give us a preview. It's going to move the dot around in the area that you can burn in. And there it is starting to burn. So you just leave your device running while it's doing that. If you shut your device off, it's going to stop running. Now, one of the things you can see is there is some smoke coming off of that. Let's zoom in a little bit so you can see. Now we've got smoke coming off. Now the smoke is going to cause a problem with your burn. The laser has to pass through that smoke, which causes some problems. So I'm going to turn a fan on to get that smoke out of the laser beam. Whenever you're doing a burn, you want a fan to blow the smoke away. So let's fast forward this little bit. And there you have it. Did a cool little picture of me. Let's zoom in. Let's see what kind of detail this is. Not too bad for something that big. So that's what Laserpecker can do. A little picture of me. Anyway, again, leave a thumbs up if this was good information for you. Thumbs down if it wasn't. Make a comment if you have some other kind of information you want to provide for other Laserpecker interested people. This is Garrett. We will talk to you next time.